In the digital ecosystem, dependability is everything. The flow of data is constant and interruptions are simply unacceptable. The entire global digital economy relies on one fundamental promise: uninterrupted power. Welcome to Larson Electronics, a leading provider of robust, reliable electrical infrastructure designed specifically for mission-critical data centers. We build the backbone of the digital world, managing power across its full life cycle, from generation to utilization. Our expertise spans the entire power chain, starting with heavy-duty outdoor-rated transformers for sustained backup power and the metal-clad switchgear that safely manages incoming high-voltage electricity. A crucial aspect of our reliable infrastructure is our comprehensive list of uninterruptible power supply systems. These sophisticated units, which are powered by resilient high-performance UPS batteries, not only smooth out power fluctuations but also provide instantaneous backup, ensuring your operations will never miss a beat during a power transition. At the core of the data hall, our intelligent power distribution units deliver conditioned power directly to critical IT equipment. These units offer advanced metering and management features, allowing data center managers to monitor loads and ensure continuous power delivery while optimizing energy usage. Our designs prioritize reliability without sacrificing density, ensuring your infrastructure can handle tomorrow's demanding AI workloads. At Larson Electronics, we provide the hardened electrical infrastructure that keeps the world running. Powering performance with unwavering reliability, Larson Electronics is your trusted partner in data center electrical infrastructure. Larson Electronics was founded in 1973 as an industrial lighting company. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, our mission is to provide customers with high-quality industrial products through reliable sales support and expedited delivery services. With over 140,000 square feet of fabrication and warehouse facilities, we are well prepared to build any power distribution or lighting solution to customer specifications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.